Good morning, everyone. Today, discuss about the biomedical waste management 2016, biomedical waste management rules 2016. This is the very important topic for IS 105 fifth paper. This is very important topic for fifth paper, biomedical waste management rules. This is the fifth paper, very important topic, IS 105 safety and health and environmental legislation. This topic is very important topic. Biomedical definition. What is the biomedical waste means definition? Wait, I will share the screen. What is biomedical waste? What is biomedical waste? What is biomedical waste? What is biomedical waste? Definition: waste generating during the diagnosis, testing, treatment, research of production of biological products of or humans or animals. WHO. ఏదైనా వేస్ట్ జనరేషన్ డ్యూరింగ్ డయాగ్నోస్ కానీ టెస్టింగ్ కానీ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కానీ రీసెర్చ్ ఫర్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ బయాలజికల్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఫర్ హ్యూమన్ ఆర్ యానిమల్స్ డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఓగా కన్సిడర్ చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ డెఫినిషన్ ఇన్ another definition. These are the another definition. Biomedical waste management. Biomedical waste in any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings or animals or in research activities. Research activities pertaining to or in the production of testing of biological and categories. These are the another definition. Next one. These are the biomedical waste in waste which is generated during the diagnostic treatments or immunization of human being, animals or in research activities preparatory who are in the production or testing of biological categories. Next one. Next slide I will share you. This is also one of the definition. Hospital waste refers to all waste, biological or non-biological, that is discarded and it is intended for the use. Medical waste refers to material generated as a result of patient diagnosis, treatment, immunization of human beings or animals. These are the important definitions for biomedical. Biomedical waste means hospital waste. Hospital waste means syringes and other waste is cottons, and these are the flesh. These are all the biomedical wastes. These are all the biomedical wastes. Biomedical waste. Next, enter the topic. Enter the topic. These are the what is the rule of biomedical waste? Segregation చేయడం, packing, transportation and storage. Biomedical waste shall not mix it to other waste. అంటే బయోమెడికల్ వేస్ట్ ఏదైతే హాస్పిటలైజేషన్ ఉందో అదర్ వేస్ట్ అనేది మిక్స్ చేయదు. Biomedical waste shall be segregated into containers, bags at the point of generation in the accordance with the schedule 2 prior to its storage, transportation, treatment and disposal. What is the rule of biomedical waste? Next screen. What are the examples of biomedical waste? What are the examples of biomedical waste? Biomedical waste contains of human anatomical waste like tissues, organs, and body parts, and animal waste generated during research for veterinary hospitals. Microbiology and biotechnology wastes. Waste sorts like hypodermica needles, syringes, clamps, and broken glasses. Discarded medicines and cytotoxic drugs. These are the biomedical wastes. What are the examples of biomedical? Biomedical waste consists human anatomical waste like tissue, organs, and body parts. Animal waste generating during research for veterinary hospital. Microbiology and biotechnology waste. Waste sharps like hypodermic needles, syringes, clamps, and broken glasses. Discarded medicines and cytotoxic drugs. These are all the wastage. In hospital, biomedical wastages, syringes and other needles and clamps and broken and cotton waste cartridges and human waste like tissues, organs, and body parts. These are all the biomedical waste. This act, New Delhi, 28th March 2016, actually, where the Biomedical Waste Management Handling Rules 1998 was published with notification number SO 30E dated the 20 July 1991 8 by the Government of India is a Minister of Environment and Forest Protection, a regulatory framework for management of biomedical waste generated in this country, and where to implement the rules more effectively and to improve the collection, segregation, process, treatment, and is disposable of the biomedical waste. Is environmentally sound management, thereby reducing the biomedical waste generation, and it is an impact to the government of central government reviewed the existing rules. Next point. And whereas in exercise in the powers confirmed by Section 6 and 8, the 25 of Environmental Protection Act 1986, 29 Article of 1986, the central government draft rules the gazetted by number of GSR 45E edition dated on 3rd June 2015, inviting objections or suggestions from the public with the 60 days from the date which copies gazetted contain the state notification were made available to the public. Next slide. After continuation. These are the now, therefore, in the exercise of the powers confirmed by the Section 6, 8, and 25 of the Environment Protection Act 1986, 29 of the 1986, in the suppression of the Biomedical Waste Management Rules 1998, and expect this done or omitment to done such suppression, the central government make the following rules, namely shortened title and commitment. These rules may be called the Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016. 2016. These rules, they shall come into force of the per date of publication in the official gazette. Application. These are the application. Biomedical waste management application. Means these rules shall apply to all persons who generating, collect, receive, store, transport, treat, dispose, or handle biomedical waste in any form of, including hospitals, nurses, homes, clinics, dispensary, veterinary institution, animal houses, pathological laboratories, blood banks, Ayush. These are the applications. Next slide I will share you. These are the hospitals, clinic establishment, research or education institution, health camps, medical or surgical camps, vacation camps, blood donation camps, first aid rooms of schools, furnaces, laboratories, and research labs. These rules shall not apply. Right? Wait. These rules shall not apply to radioactivity. These rules radioactivity waste as covered to under the provisions of the Atomic Energy Act 1962, 33, 1962. The rules are made under hazardous chemicals covered under this manufacturing, storage, and import of hazardous chemicals rules 1989 made under the Act. Solid waste covered under the Municipal Solid Waste Management Rules 2000 made under this Act. The lead acid batteries covered under the Batteries Management and Handling Rules 2001 made under the Act. Hazardous waste covered under the Hazardous Waste Management Handling and Transboundary Movement Rules 2008 made under the Act. Next continuation. Sorry. Definitions, important definitions. In these rules, unless the context otherwise refers, the Act means the Environment Protection Act 1986 29 of 1986. Animal house. Animal house means a place where animals are reared or kept for his purpose of experiment or testing. Authorization. Authorization means permission granted by prescribed authority for generation, collection, reception, storage, transportation, treatment, processing, disposal, or any other form of handling of biomedical waste in accordance with these rules and guidelines issued by the central government or central pollution control board, as may be. Authorized person. Authorized person means an occupier or operator authorized by prescribed authority to generate, collective, receive, store, transport, treat, process, dispose, or handle biomedical waste in accordance with these rules and the guidelines issued by the central government of the Central Pollution Control Board, as may be, as the case may be. Next one. These are the important definitions. These are the continuation. Biological. Biological means any any preparation and made from organisms or microorganisms or product of metabolism and biological reactions intended for use in diagnostic immunization or the treatment of human beings or animals or in research activities pertaining thereto. These are the biological orders. Biomedical waste. Biomedical waste means any waste which is generated. Biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnostic, treatment, or immunization of human beings or animals or research activities pertaining thereto or in the production or testing of biological or in health campus, including the categories mentioned in the Schedule 1 appended to these rules. Biomedical waste treatment and disposable facilities. Biomedical waste for disposable treatments. Biomedical waste treatment and disposable facilities means any facilities wherein treatment disposable of biomedical waste or process incidental to such treatment and disposable is carried out and includes common biomedical waste treatment facilities. Form. Form means the form appended to these details, to these rules. Handling. Handling means in a relation of to biomedical waste includes the generation, sorting, segregation, collection, use, storage, packing, loading, transportation, unloading, processing, treatment, destruction, conversion, or offering for sale, transport, disposal of such waste. Next slide, I will share it. 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 These are the healthcare facilities. Healthcare facilities. Wait. Healthcare facilities. Healthcare facilities means a place where diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of human beings or animals is provided irrespective of type and size of health treatment system and research activity pertaining thereto. Major accident. Major accident means accidents occurring while handling of biomedical waste having potential to affect large masses of public and influence toppling of the truck carrying biomedical waste. Accidental releases of biomedical waste in any water body but excluded accidents like needle prick injuries, mercury spills. Management. Management means includes all steps required to ensure that biomedical waste is managed in such a manner as to protect health and environmental against any adverse effect due to handling of such waste. Occupier. Occupier means a person having a administration control over the institution and the premises generating biomedical waste, which includes a hospital, nursing home, clinic, dispensary, veterinary institution, animal house, pathologically laboratory, blood bank, healthcare facilities, and clinical establishment, irrespective system of medicine, and by whatever name they are called. Next slide, I will share you. Wait. Next slide, I will share you. Wait. These are the operator of a common of biomedical waste treatment facilities. Means a person who owns or controlled a common biomedical waste treatment facility CBMWTF for the collection, reception, storage, transport, treatment, disposal, or any other of handling biomedical waste. Prescribed authority. Prescribed authority means the state pollution of control board in respect of state pollution and control committees in respect of union territory. Schedule means the schedule appended to these rules. Schedule means appended to these rules. Next one. Next slide I will share you. Wait. These are the duties of the occupier. Duties of the occupier. Duties of the occupier. Duties of the occupier. It shall be duties of the occupier. It shall be duty of the every occupier to take all necessary steps to ensure that biomedical waste is handled without any advice affected to human health and the environmental and in accordance with these rules. Make a provision with the premises for safe, ventilated, and secured location for storage of segregated biomedical waste in colored bags are contained in the manner as specified in a Schedule 1 to ensure that there shall be no secondary handling, pilferage, or recyclables are indifferent scattering or spillage by animals, and the biomedical waste from the such place of premises shall be directly transported in the manner as may be prescribed in these rules to the common biomedical waste treatment facilities for the appropriate treatment and disposable as the case may be in the manner prescribed in Schedule 1. Pre-treat. Pre-treat means the laboratory waste, microbiological waste blood samples and blood gas through a disinfection or sterilization on site in the manner as prescribed by World Health Organization WHO or National AIDS Control Organization NACO guidelines, then they sent to the common biomedical waste treatment facilities are final disposable. Next slide I will share you. Right. Next slide I will share you. Wait. After continuation, define. Phase out the fluorinated plastic bags, gloves, and blood bags within 2 years from the date of notification of this rules. Disposal of solid waste other than biomedical waste in accordance with the provisions of respective waste management rules made under the relevant laws and amendment from time to time. Not to give treated biomedical waste with the municipal solid waste. Providing training to all its health care workers and others involved in handling of biomedical waste at the time of induction and thereafter at least once a year. And the details of the training programs conducted, number of personnel trained, and number of personnel not undergone any training shall be provided in the annual report. It means all its healthcare workers and others involved in handling of biomedical waste for protection against diseases including hepatitis B and tetanus that are likely to transmitted by handling of biomedical waste in the manner as prescribed in the National Immunization Policy or the guidelines of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare issued from time to time. These are the duties of the occupier. These are all the duties of the occupier. Next slide I will share you. Continuation. After continuation, this 3 point. Establish a barcode system for a bags or containers containing biomedical waste to be sent of the premises or place for any purpose with 1 year from the date of the notification of these rules. Ensure segregation of liquid chemical waste a source and ensure pre-treatment or neutralization prior to mixing the other effluent generated from the healthcare facilities. Ensure treatment and disposal of liquid waste in accordance with the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, 6th of 1974, Article 6 of 1974. These are the duties of the occupiers completed. Next one. These are the very important duties of the operator of a common biomedical waste treatment and disposable facilities. These are very important duties of the operator of common biomedical waste treatment and disposable waste. It shall be the duty of every operator. It shall be the duty of every operator to take all necessary steps to ensure that the biomedical waste collected from the occupier is transported, handled, stored, treated, and disposed of without any adverse effect to human health and environment in accordance with these rules and guidelines issued by the central government, as the may be the central government control board from time to time. Ensure timely collection of biomedical waste from the occupier as prescribed under these rules. C point. Point C. Come on to point C. Establishing barcoding and global positioning system from handling of biomedical waste within 1 year. Next slide I will share you. The continuation. Continues the point. Inform the prescribed authority immediately regarding the occupier which are not handling over the segregated biomedical waste in accordance with these rules, providing training of all its workers involved in handling of biomedical waste at the time of induction at least 1 year thereafter. Assist the occupier in training conducted by them for biomedical waste management. Undertake appropriate medical examination at the time of induction and at least once in a year and immense all its workers involved in handling of biomedical waste for protection against diseases including hepatitis B and tetanus that are likely to be transmitted while handling biomedical waste and maintain the records for the same. Ensure occupationally safety of all its workers involved in handling of biomedical waste by providing appropriate and adequate personal protection equipment. Report major accidents. Report major accidents, including accidents caused by the fire hazards, blasts during handling of biomedical waste, and the remedial action taken in the records relevant thereto, including nil reporter in Form 1 to be prescribed authority and also along the annual report. Next slide, I will share you. Wait. These are the treatment and disposable. Treatment and disposable. How to treatment and disposable. Biomedical waste shall be treated and disposed on in accordance with the Schedule 1 and in compliance with the standards provided in Schedule 2 by the healthcare facilities and common biomedical waste treatment facilities. Occupier shall hand over segregated waste as per the Schedule 1 to common biomedical waste treatment facilities for treatment processing and final disposal, provided that the lab and highly infectious biomedical waste generated shall be pre-treated by equipment like autoclave or microwave. No occupier shall establish on-site treatment and disposable facilities services services of common biomedical waste treatment facility is available at distance of 75 kilometers. In case where service of common biomedical waste treatment facilities is not available, the occupier shall not be request biomedical waste treatment equipment like incinerator, autoclave, or microwave shredder prior to commencement of its operation, as per the authorization given by prescribed authority. Next slide, I will share you. These are the very important. Segregation, packing, transportation, and storage. These are the very important. These are the very important. These are segregation, packing, transportation, and storage. First point, point one. No untreated biomedical waste shall be mixed with the other wastes. No untreated biomedical waste shall be mixed with other waste. The biomedical waste shall be segregated into containers or bags at the point of generation in accordance of the Schedule 1 prior to its storage, transportation, treatment, and disposal. The containers or bags referred to sub-rule 2 shall be labeled as specified in Schedule 5. Barcode. Barcode and global position system shall be added by the occupier and the biomedical waste treatment facilities in 1 year time. These are the barcode and global position system should be added by the occupier and common biomedical waste treatment facilities in 1 year time. Next, come to point 5. The operator of common biomedical waste treatment facilities shall transport the biomedical waste from premises of an occupier to any site, any off-site biomedical waste treatment facilities only in the vehicles having labeled as provided in a part A of the Schedule 5 along with the necessary information as specified in a part B of the Schedule 4. The operator of common biomedical waste treatment facilities shall transport biomedical waste from the premises of an occupier to any off-site of biomedical waste treatment facilities only in the vehicles having labeled provided in a part of Schedule 5, 4 along with the necessary information specified in part 2, Schedule 4. Next slide I will share you. Okay. Prescribed authority. Prescribed authority. Prescribed authority means the prescribed authority for implementation of for the provisions of this rule shall be the State Pollution Control Board in the respective of state and pollution control committees in the respect of union territories. The prescribed authorities for enforcement of the provisions of these rules in respect of all healthcare establishments, including hospitals, nursing homes, clinics, dispensaries, veterinary institutions, animal houses, pathological laboratories and blood banks of the armed force under the Ministry of Defense shall be the Director General, Armed Force Medical Services, who shall function under the supervision and control of Minister of Defense. These are the prescribed authority. Next screen I will share you. Wait. Next one, authorization. Procedure for authorization. Procedure for authorization. Every occupier or operator handling biomedical waste, irrespective of the quantity, shall make an application in Form 2 to the prescribed authority, State Pollution Control Board and Pollution Control Committee as they may case maybe for the grant of authorization. Grant of authorization and the prescribed authority shall grant the provisional authorization in Form 3 and the validity of such authorization of permitted healthcare facilities and operator of common facilities shall be synchronized with valid of constance. The authorization shall be on time for non-bidded occupiers, and the authorization in such cases shall be deemed to have granted if not object by the prescribed authority within the period of 90 days from the date of receipt of duly completed application along with each such necessary documents. In case of refusal of renewal, cancellation of or suspension of authorization by the prescribed authority, the reason shall recording in writing. Next slide I will share you. Advisory committee. Advisory committee means every state government or union territory administration shall constitution and advisory committee for all the respective state or union territory under the chairmanship of the respective health secretary to oversee the implementation of the rules in the respective state and advisory and implement and the advisory committee shall include representatives from the Department of Health, Environment, Urban Development, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Science of the state government or union territory. Administration, State Pollution Control Board or Pollution Control Committee, urban local bodies or local bodies of or municipal corporation representatives from Indian Medical Association, common biomedical waste treatment facilities and non-government organizations. These are the advisory committee. These are all the advisory committee. Notwithstanding, anything contained in sub-rule, the Minister of Defense shall be constituted the advisory committee under the chairmanship of the Director General of Health and Services, Armed Force, consisting of representatives of the Minister of Defense, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes, Central Pollution Control Board, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Armed Forces, medical colleges or command hospitals. These are the advisory committee. Next slide I will show you. These are the monitoring of implementation of the rules in the care facilities. Monitoring, how to monitoring the implementation rules in healthcare facility. The Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes shall review the implementation of the rules in the country. Once in a year through the state health secretaries and chairmanship or memberships are state pollution control board and central control board and ministries to invite experts in the field of biomedical waste management if required. The Central Pollution Control Board all shall monitor the implement of these rules respects of the all the armed forces healthcare established under the Ministry of Defense. The Central Pollution Control Board, along with the 1 year more representatives of the advisory committee, constitution under sub rule 2 of rule 11, may inspect any armed forces healthcare establishment after prior intimation to the Director General Armed Force Medical Services. Every state government or union territory administration shall constitute district level monitoring committee in the districts under the chairmanship of district collector or district magistrate or deputy commissioner or additional district magistrate to monitor the compliance of the provisions of these rules in the healthcare facilities, generating biomedical waste and in the common biomedical waste treatment and disposal facilities where the biomedical waste treatment is are disposed of. Next slide I will share you. These are all the biomedical waste categories: segregation, collection, treatment, processing, and disposable options. These are the category yellow color. Type of waste, type of bag, and treatment of disposable options. Category and type of waste and type of bag are container to be used, and treatment and disposal options. First one, human anomatical waste. Human beings, tissues, organs, body parts are fetches below the viability period as per the Medical Treatmentation of Pregnancy Act 1971 amendment from the time to time. Yellow colored non-chlorinic plastic bag use. Incineration or plasma pyrolysis or deep burial. Animal anatomical waste. Experimental animal carcasses, body parts, organs, tissues includes the waste generated from animals used in the experiments or testing in veterinary hospitals or colleges or animal houses. These are also yellow colored non-chlorinated plastic. Same treatment and disposal options. Solid waste. Solid waste means items contained with blood, body fluids like dressing, plasters, casts, cotton swabs, and incretion or plasma pyrolysis or deep burial. In absence of above facilities, autoclaving or microwaving. These are the categories, biomedical waste categories, and segregation, collection, treatment, processing, and disposal. Next slide I will share you. These are the bags containing residual or discarded blood and blood components. Hydrochloric followed by shedding or mutilation or combination of sterilization and shedding treated waste are to be sent energy recovery. D1. Expired or discarded medicines. Expired or discarded. The expire అయిపోయిన medicines discarded medicines. Paramedical waste like antibiotics, cytotoxic drugs, including all items contaminated without psychotics along with the glass or plastic ampoules, vials, etc. Yellow colored non-chlorinated plastic bags are contained. Expired cytotoxic drugs and items contaminated with the cytotoxic trace to be returned back to the manufacturing suppliers from inclination as a treatment greater than 1200 degrees Celsius to common biomedical waste treatment facilities or hazardous waste treatment storage or disposable facilities at greater than 1200 degrees Celsius or ancompletion or plasma pyrolysis at greater than 1200 degrees Celsius. All other discarded medicines shall be either sent back to manufacturing or disposed by incineration. Chemical waste. Chemical waste means used in production of biological and used or discarded disposed. Yellow colored containers, non-chlorinated plastic. Disposed by